Wow, like inside to show up. This works. Everyone will have a great time watching me polish the floor with you and make me look bad on my stage. Been a while since I've torn something up. Consuming void! I ought to show you what happens when you come face to face. I was getting really sick of that stupid persona. Idiot. You can't conceive what you're up against. Won't be long before I've got every soul in the universe at my fingertips.